Looking for the ultimate gaming tablet in 2025? Whether you're into intense action, immersive RPGs, or mobile sports, we've got the perfect picks for you. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best gaming tablets of 2025, featuring top-tier performance, stunning displays, and all the features you need to level up your mobile gaming experience. Stay tuned to find out which one should be your next gaming companion. At number 5, we have the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2023, a unique gaming laptop tablet hybrid built for versatility and power. It features a vibrant 13.4-inch QHD 165Hz Nebula display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, delivering crisp visuals and smooth gameplay. Powered by an Intel Core i9-13900H and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, it handles demanding games and creative tasks with ease. With 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and a fast 1TB PCIe SSD, performance and storage are top-notch. Its compact, detachable design with stylus support makes it perfect for creators on the move. Wi-Fi 6E ensures low-latency connectivity, and ROG's advanced cooling system helps maintain performance in a slim form. While battery life isn't ideal for extended gaming, and the tablet-first design might not suit everyone, the Flow Z13 excels as a high-end portable powerhouse for gamers and creators seeking flexibility without sacrificing performance. At number 4, we have the 2024 Apple iPad Air 13-inch, a sleek, powerful tablet that delivers premium performance in a lightweight design. Featuring a large 13-inch liquid retina display, this iPad offers vibrant colors, sharp details, and ample screen space for multitasking, streaming, or creative work. Powered by Apple's blazing fast M2 chip, it handles everything from gaming to professional apps like Final Cut Pro and Photoshop with impressive ease. With 128GB of storage, there's room for all your essential apps, files, and media. The Wi-Fi connectivity ensures fast browsing and smooth video calls, while the renewed premium certification guarantees it looks and functions like new, backed by a full inspection and warranty. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the iPad Air's power, portability, and performance make it a top-tier choice for everyday use. At number 3, we have the OnePlus Pad 2, a powerful Android tablet that blends performance, style, and productivity in a sleek, modern design. Equipped with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, it runs smoothly even with demanding apps and multitasking. The large 12.1-inch display offers a stunning visual experience, ideal for streaming, gaming, and reading, with vibrant colors and a responsive interface. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it delivers flagship-level performance, making it perfect for both work and play. The 8MP front camera is great for video calls, while the 13MP rear camera handles casual photography with ease. OnePlus also adds smart features like AI Eraser 2.0 for effortless photo editing. With 67W fast charging, you get a full charge in no time, and Wi-Fi connectivity ensures lag-free internet use. Lightweight and powerful, the OnePlus Pad 2 is an excellent choice for users who want speed, style, and versatility in one device. At number 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, a powerhouse Android tablet designed for professionals and creatives alike. Featuring a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED touchscreen, this tablet delivers breathtaking visuals with deep blacks, rich colors, and ultra-smooth touch response, perfect for editing, streaming, or sketching. It's equipped with 12GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD, ensuring lightning-fast performance and plenty of space for apps, projects, and media. Powered by Android 14 OS, the Tab S10 Ultra is optimized for multitasking, offering a PC-like experience with split-screen functionality and Samsung DeX mode. The included S Pen adds precision and creativity, ideal for note-taking, drawing, and productivity. You also get enhanced security with a built-in fingerprint reader, while Wi-Fi only connectivity keeps you focused without distractions. In a sleek moonstone gray finish, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra stands out as one of the most advanced tablets on the market today. At number 1, we have the Apple iPad Pro 11-inch M4, the most powerful iPad ever, built to lead the future of AI-driven performance. Powered by Apple's game-changing M4 chip, this tablet is ready for Apple Intelligence and handles demanding tasks like 4K video editing, 3D design, and multitasking with incredible ease. The stunning Ultra Retina XDR display offers breathtaking clarity and brightness, perfect for creators, professionals, and media lovers. With 256 gigabytes of storage, you get plenty of room for apps, files, and creative projects. The 12MP front and back cameras, along with a LiDAR scanner, enable precise AR experiences and professional quality video calls and photos. Features like Wi-Fi 6E, Face ID, and all-day battery life make it incredibly efficient and portable. And in sleek space black, it looks just as premium as it performs. Whether for work, creativity, or entertainment, the iPad Pro M4 is the ultimate all-in-one productivity tablet. That's a wrap on our countdown of the top 5 best gaming tablets of 2025. Let us know which one caught your eye in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. See you next time.